Every morning, I used to wake up and scroll my phone and rush through my day and feel like I was constantly behind. But then I added a simple 2 minute habit routine into my day and it actually changed everything. We think habit change has to be a big, like meditate for 30 minutes, run 5,000 steps, or read a book a week. But here's what nobody's talk about. Tiny habit done consistently is better than big habit done occasionally. So I made a 2 minute morning routine that became non negotiable. Write down three things I want to do today, stretch for 30 seconds, and 1 minute of mindfulness. Just breathe or stare at the ceiling. That's it. 120 seconds. And somehow my day felt lighter, more focused, less anxious because it wasn't just about doing the habits. It was about proving myself daily that I show up, no matter how small it is. If you want to try this too, I've built a clean little system to track it in Notion. It's what keeps me going. Link in the description if you want to grab it for free. Start small, stay consistent, and you got this.